Hello everybody. Beautiful day in the Philippines. Going into the Clark Freeport zone here, checkpoint. Oh, they stopped the truck for inspection. You guys hanging out on the outside of the truck. That's a no-no, I think.
Make sure there's no bomb.
We're heading to, what is it called? The Barnes?
Park.
Barnes, where the park's at. The old military barracks on Clark Air Base. We're just about in front of the Clark Airport now. I think the sign says there, yeah, Clark International Airport, make a left. SC Tex, Clark South, make a right. And Industrial Estate B5 to the right. Main gates to the right. Looks like they have an event coming up here. Clark Marriott Hotel Reggae Set Go 2020 New Year countdown. There's still a countdown? I think that passed already, huh?
Mm.
Yeah, December 31st. That's old sign. Yes, I know you see a Ford Ranger in front of me, but we are in the Philippines. They do sell Fords here and Chevy, GMC, I think. I think they have the Yukon, or what do they
Yep.
have? The SUV, the other SUV.
No, I see GMC, but that is not Yukon.
No, the Chevy Tahoe they have.
Yeah.
I think the Tahoe.
Not Yukon.
So, I don't know. Maybe they don't have GMC. Maybe they just have the Chevy. Chevy Tahoe. Even McDonald's here, they're giving away the Chevy Blazer. One of their games, instant win games or something. If you buy anything, French fries or something, they give you a free scratch-off ticket or something. Their commercial that plays here all the time. Just got a text message from who, I don't know. It says download. No, we don't download. Put that over there, please. Alright, make a left turn here. It says, and we go around the airport. Bada bing, bada boom. Let's get over on this lane.
Yeah.
This road's so new they didn't even put the lines yet, so everybody just makes up their own lane. And that's anywhere in the Philippines, I think. Anywhere you drive, you just make up your own lane. You go as you go. If it says there's a speed limit sign, I think that's just what do they call it? A suggestion? Or
Yeah.
suggested that you go. But unless you're on the base. Like if you're on the base, like Clark Freeport zone, like now, I think they're a little more stricter when it comes to speed limits and everything. But
Even some outside the base.
really, some.
As long as you don't drive in the wrong side.
Well, you can. I've seen people do that, though. Yeah, I've
This
seen
is
people on the wrong
go-
side just to pass everybody.
No, I mean like this way. Using
Oh.
the right side,
Oh,
right?
Yeah.
And when so long. Not like in the state, they driving the wrong side, they drunk and they get crushed.
Well, I'm sure they do that here too, but you just don't hear about it as much.
You go to Nayong Filipino, okay?
Yeah. Is that where we're going?
After that,
Oh.
Nayong Filipino is beautiful.
Is it?
Yep. That's where my niece, they get married there.
What's there?
It's a nice park
Oh,
and
park.
everything.
Ah,
Souvenir and
I like souvenirs.
I know that.
Alright, come on, go. We don't want to get stuck behind these guys.
Wine shop.
Yeah, it's a beautiful day. Look at those clouds. Gorgeous. It says it's 29 degrees Celsius outside.
Like 78 degree.
Something like that, I guess. I haven't got the hang of the Celsius versus Fahrenheit thing yet. I always have to ask Google.
And you have to practice golf players. I'm gonna start playing.
Not enough exercise playing golf. You just stand there and hit the ball. Get in the golf cart and drive around. Plus, most of the time it's too hot here to play golf.
I'll get you a big. I'll give you a big umbrella.
I need a big sombrero or
Sombrero.
something. Yeah, something. All right, says we go and then bear right or something. I don't know what this GPS is saying. I think it's trying to say there's construction here. So it wants us to go through here.
There's a Starbucks.
And then a Jollibee. Yeah, Starbucks is there. There's a FedEx location here. Holy cow, I never saw that before.
Yep.
Oh, what's this? Casino coming?
Casino and hotel.
Lucky 2020?
Yeah. Yep.
Royce Casino? Yeah, Royce Casino. Oh, they're open. They're building a new building now.
Yeah. This one is open.
Yeah, that one's open. Okay.
Royce Hotel Casino.
All right, says make a left here to go to the barns. I've seen pictures of the barns. I think I drove past them one time.
Yeah, we was. I told
But
you.
I didn't take any pictures or anything. My first time visiting the Philippines. There was so much to see. But we'll take a better look this time. Toyota Hiace. It's the premium minivan for here, the Toyota Hiace. Oh, I think this is the way to, what they call it too. The sign back there, I think, said this is where
horse riding and everything.
the Department of Transportation office is down here too. It's telling me to make a right down here.
CDC and food court. Housing area. Clark Museum to the right.
God, what's going on? Can we go in here?
Yeah, Clark
There's a
Museum.
police car there or something.
There's a police. They have a festival or something.
Going on. Security force.
Yep.
Oh my goodness.
What you
That
gonna
little
do?
car, they're driving like a truck. Good Lord.
She's a tiny Filipino.
She's driving a big tractor trailer. What's going on here?
I don't know.
There's a bunch of tables, tents. Where are these people going? Thank you, thank you, thank you.
There's the school.
Oh, here it is. Here's the place. These are the barns. Right here to the left. There's one here. A bunch of the old buildings.
Yeah.
Let me move the camera over a little so you can see them.
There used to be a house for American.
They said officers' quarters and their officers' club and different things. So these are the barn houses. Cardinal Street, Clark Freeport Zone, Angeles City, Philippines. They had some kind of event in the park over here across the street.
Yeah, we're gonna find out.
A lot of these buildings are really, really old. Asiana Airlines has one. Look at that. Here's building 2087.
Oh, look at this,
It's
bro.
falling apart. Yeah, it's collapsing, probably from the termites.
Ticketing office.
Zest Air. Old Zest Air. Or
Oh my
something.
God, it's broke. And this one is
Japanese Grill. The old Japanese Grill restaurant. Or maybe it's still open.
Japanese grill. They used to be Pampanga
What's this?
cluster.
Tactical Operations Center. Wow.
Guest Hotel Mimosa Gold.
This is your area. Keep it clean.
We can
Clark Church Without Borders. City Hall.
Mabalacat City.
Hall Annex or something. Oh, there's a place to park over here.
Or in the back there too. There's
Clark
something.
Museum Curator. Cafe Mesa. Steakhouse. Maybe we'll go down to the end and then turn around. Come back. See if there is any more barn houses down here. Again, there's a lot to see here in Angeles City, in the Philippines especially. A lot of people like to go towards Manila. I don't necessarily like the big cities. Although Angeles City is starting to become a big city.
Casino.
There's a casino here?
You have casino.
Food court. It says food court.
Bulalo.
Some kind
This
of food
restaurant.
court. Some kind of food court.
Yeah, look,
Whole
they
bunch
have
there.
an opening. I don't know
Oh,
what
they
is
did.
it.
They had something maybe earlier or last night. Maybe they had something. I don't know. Here's a playground for the kids. This looks like a nice one. This one looks well maintained. Some of the neighborhood ones are not really maintained that well.
There's a grandpa.
Uh-oh. No entry, security.
Clark and see.
So I guess we turn around. This is not a one-way.
Hang on. The guy, you can go that
See,
guy.
no
See,
entry. Yeah, no entry over
the
there.
guy he come out from there.
Oh, I see a 7-Eleven down there in front of us. What's this place here? What's it called? I don't know. Building 2121. This one says Clark Corporate Center. Clark Development Corporation. This is where the office is at. If you ever want to do business in the Clark area, or especially in this Freeport zone, they help you with all your business licenses in there and help you get set up.
Ask that black guy. Maybe he know. Tourism information.
7-Eleven.
Where?
Right there.
Oh yeah,
7-Eleven.
say, maybe we can ask.
Tapa Restaurant.
Tapo. Monterey.
Veterans Bank.
Veterans Bank.
Oh, Bicentennial Park's over here on the right, it says.
Yeah, this is Bicentennial Park. Is nice even when the American Day here. It's a big picnic park.
I don't know. I don't think I've ever been there. Yeah, picnic park
Yeah.
is not something most people go to unless they're going to have a picnic.
Before when American Day here, they always use that, especially 4th of July, firework, and
Beep beep. 365 Dream Mart.
what's that, supermarket?
Oh, it looks like. I think there's a restaurant on the second floor or something. I don't know. Let's see what Bicentennial Park looks like. Somewhere down here it says the sign. Housing area, parade grounds to the right, housing area to the left. Whoa. Crooked. Bouncing around. Let's see. Housing area. Clark Polytechnic. Clark Water. Bicentennial Park. This way. Which way? Oh, here it is. Restricted area. You can't go in there.
Yeah. Oh,
Oh, it's way out probably. I don't know. So this is Bicentennial Park.
yeah. But I
It's
see
more for kids, I think.
people
family
live in
activities.
this house.
It says restricted area. You can't go in. Maybe there's another way down here or something. I don't know. They must have a lot of special events or something here. I don't know.
Ay,
Oh, what the heck was that?
the radio, the telephone.
Telephone? I don't see any. No, see restricted area. You can't go in.
Be sure
It's closed.
where all those things. Hilton Hotel.
It's closed.
What's this one?
Come on, don't stop.
Here, Clark Skill and Training.
So it said restricted area, so we can't go into Bicentennial Park. Maybe a private event or something was going on, something like that. You never know.
They used to have a horse riding in here.
Oh, okay.
Open July 3. The highlight.
The Heights. Beaches, Resorts, Commercial Center,
Nayang Filipino.
Straight
That's the
ahead.
one I said.
So straight ahead.
Nayang Filipino. We're gonna park and walk, look the area. It's beautiful.
We shall see. First to stop, first to go.
Look at the mountain.
Oh yeah, those beautiful mountains in front of us.
Slow
We're
down.
gonna take a look.
Slow down. There's a playground for
Amusement park or something. Look like they have a water slide here.
yeah. There's like a resort.
Oh, where do we go now? Doesn't
Nayang
say.
Filipino.
Yeah, it doesn't say which way to go.
Uy, hang on. Exit.
Park. Aqua Planet. Probably this way, I guess. I don't know. There's no sign. Aqua Planet. Look at that. Jeez. A lot of water slides for kids.
Yep.
And they're open. Look at that. They got big
Yeah, they're
flotation devices up there they give you to sit on. Or lay
No, they're crowded.
on. Oh, yeah, there's a lot of people in there. My goodness. Must be like our Disney World or
Yeah.
back home.
Something like that.
Disney in Orlando or Florida or something. Oh, is that a pool? What the heck is that? Oh, we can't go in here. Got a construction going on or something.
Where is that Nayang Filipino?
Yeah, we can't go in there.
We
It's
lose it.
closed.
No, they're open.
No, they got a gate thing down there. Come on, make up your mind. I gotta turn around, dude. A lot of construction here. Oh, God. Don't stop looking at us and go so I can turn around.
What are they making in your building?
Oh, probably another
Hotel.
casino or something. Who knows, you know? Oh, God. Then this guy's gonna block us. Jesus. Thank you. Exit. I can't turn.
Aqua Planet.
Aqua Planet.
Yeah, it's all
Oh,
over
they're
in
building-
here.
yeah, they're building
more. And the security there, we can ask him.
Well, the sign said come this way to go to.
Nayang Filipino.
Yeah.
Look
Look at all the
how
kids standing.
I
They take
know.
the ride. Wow.
they're all crowded. Well, we can. Even over there.
Not my kind of park, but give me a roller coaster or something. That sounds good, but not this water stuff. I don't do the water
This
thing.
one is go exit.
No.
This one exit too.
Yeah.
Where is the Nayang Filipino go? We don't see the other
There's no sign. I have no idea. Unless it's this way, but there's no sign
Yeah,
telling you to go that way.
Oh, sure.
Jose Rizal Avenue.
Maybe that way.
I don't know. It doesn't say. No sign. We don't go. I don't want to end up in a construction zone again. So that water park is going through a major expansion back there into the mountain. It's beautiful back there.
Yep. Ato's grandchildren and kids, they always go there in the barrio. When they have a party, birthday, they go there. Stop sign here. Let's see. First to stop, first to go. Siamuna. That's first. Where is the
First to stop,
the height?
first to go.
100. Where is that?
It said this way, but I didn't. And the signs ended. I don't know. Look at all those condos, and I don't know if Hilton owns all that or not in front of us. Looks like Hilton. It's called the Heights. They're opening a casino here. Look at all those buildings, man. It's going to look like
Las Vegas.
or some of the other countries like
It's been
Korea or
changed.
something.
Yeah, it's a lot changed. That's why
a lot of money going in here from somewhere.
I see the sign no more.
Me neither. So maybe it's down here somewhere. Big cement truck. Jeez. Bicentennial Park this way. It's closed. Restricted area. Playground. Well, anyway, it's a beautiful day for a drive, so bunch of signs in a different language, like Chinese or something there.
Just Korean.
Korean. Oh yeah, Korean grocery. God, the Koreans are everywhere in over here now in the Philippines.
Even in the barrio.
I thought they were only in Koreatown, but they're all over the place. Everywhere you go, there's Korean restaurants. I wonder if they're from North Korea or not.
No, they cannot go.
They cannot go.
No.
Hotel W or W Hotel.
American.
Here's another sign.
Here.
Parade ground.
Parade ground. Sabang Batu
Bureau of Immigration. Street. I don't know.
No.
The sign said this way to go.
Yeah, we have to go there. Something
but
to
they
do.
must have construction or something going on or something. I don't know.
See.
They got it closed for some reason. I don't know why.
No, we agree. We can stop in No, even here, people walk around.
And they're building everywhere. Look at these buildings going up.
Yeah.
Brand new buildings. Brand new manufacturing or whatever they're doing. Events. Look at all the chairs and tables in there.
Where is the University Graduate School of Business?
I love it because we're surrounded by mountains everywhere.
Yeah.
There's mountains in front of us, mountains behind us. Anytime there's storms or any kind of tropical weather, the mountains, they push all that stuff away. We really don't get hit with anything. Maybe some rain, that's about it. A little bit of wind. I don't know. Clark Center. FedEx. Gate to the right.
No, we don't go to main gate yet. We go to Nayong Filipino. I know Nayong.
No, there's no way to go that way.
Well,
I already went that way. Gotta go this way.
There's the main gate.
It's the way we went the last time. We went that way.
Yeah, we're gonna
Go
ask
the same
where
way.
how to get the Nayong Filipino.
Well, I can put it on the GPS. But
Yeah. Go in, stop in the corner somewhere. Emergency stop.
Business Park. There's an inn. Change oil. PTT. Seaflow. Breto's Grill Steakhouse. Now open. Some deli bakery. Gas station.
PB, you can turn right here and you
No,
can.
we did that last time. There's a
No,
community
we
there,
can
can't
see
stop.
where it's exactly to get to the Nayong Filipino.
I don't know how to spell it. I don't know.
Nayon. And then Filipino. Pilino.
Filipino?
Yeah.
Not Filipino, it's Filipino?
Filipino. Filipino. Pilino. You can go to emergency stop. Or ask this worker, go in the corner.
We're always working on something. They got new drainage things there and everything.
Right in the gas station.
Maybe we can find the entrance to the highway here somewhere. Seafood shack. Barbecue.
Right here.
House of Chops. Shell V-Power diesel. I love it.
Oh, you're gonna
Oh,
get
they got
that.
body rubbing. I need some body rubbing
What is that?
for a car wash. Some body rubbing. God, they don't leave any place to park or anything over here. Everything's blocked off. Can't park. Closed. Why?
Not walk, Clark. Follow the guy.
No, I'm not following the guy. I'm stopping right here. Let me see if I can find Air Force City Park, T-Mobile residence. Yeah, the road's closed. We can't go that way. No. What's it called again?
Nayon Filipino. N-A-Y-O-N.
NYA.
Nayon.
Nayon Filipino?
Yeah.
Centennial Road?
Yeah.
The Neon Clark Park. Business Center. We're far away. It's on the other side. It's going towards the Dinosaur Island.
We went there, you remember?
Yeah.
And then you don't get up, I get up.
Yeah, because I was tired. It was a long
Yeah.
day. Jeez, we went everywhere that day. I think we even went to 100 Islands or something, you know? I don't know. It says make a U-turn here somewhere. This is traffic marshal.
There's
back on.
security.
No, he's traffic marshal, not security. It says make a U-turn down here somewhere. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get out. Thank you. Somebody moved over for us. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, no U-turn here. Jesus.
Oh, orange.
Oh, it's yellow. So go down here, make a U-turn somewhere it says. Big bump. Must be workers over here or something.
They're doing the
Yeah, they're
garden.
putting new flowers and everything. Looks nice.
Cleaning the garden.
There we go. U-turn. U-turn.
A U-turn.
We all turn. No, the van's blocking us so we can't see.
Cannot see. Go.
Look at those clouds. It's a beautiful day. My goodness. 31 degrees Celsius now. Don't ask. Don't tell. I have no clue. They should have a switch where you can change the temperature to Fahrenheit or something. You would think they would have a switch or something. You can change it.
Maybe it's 80 degrees.
Maybe there's a switch and I didn't find it yet. I don't know.
I don't know how to. I don't know. I never know the temperature here.
I don't know. Is this a bus stop? Looks like a bus stop.
Yeah. Or
Or used to
jeep.
be. Jeepney stop.
Yeah. Malawis Kopun Ken. Oh. They welcome you. Say, come on in.
Air Force City.
Yeah. there. Nayong Filipino.
Yeah. It says to go straight, but it's telling us to turn here. Probably because of the construction or something. Wants us to go through Air Force City. I don't know why.
Airport City.
Yeah, wants us to go this way. So we go this way. Peppers 21 Steakhouse, premium steaks.
Goodbye. Duty free shop, UP card, one shop. I don't know.
Welcome to Air Force City, Clark Air Base. Air Force City.
There. This is the one we have.
Oh yeah, there's the guns.
Airport, the
I
gun.
don't remember seeing the guns last time. I saw the planes, but we don't have no pictures with the guns.
No.
A lot of people here
Yep. They go.
taking pictures.
They take a picture. They do a picnic.
Last time we parked here, some lady came out and charged us 20 pesos to park.
Yeah, they
Right.
charge.
I don't know. Air Defense Command, make a left. First
First
tow,
toe,
second
second
arson.